Hello everyone, and welcome to my new tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the emoji keyboard on your iPhone. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll always be updated when I post new tutorials. So the first thing you need to do is open Settings. Once you're there, immediately look for the section called General. When you're in that section, scroll down and find the keyboard section. Once you find it, tap on it. Inside the keyboard section, you'll see a bunch of different options. The one we're interested in is keyboards. It should be at the top of the page, like it is for me. Find it and tap on it. Now in this part, you can see the list of keyboards you have. Find emoji, then swipe left on it and tap delete. After you do that, open any app, for example, Messages or Notes, and you'll see that the emoji keyboard is no longer there. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.